In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop videos in Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a presentation that plays automatically and loops continuously, perfect for kiosks, lobbies, events, or any situation where you want your slides and embedded videos to run on their own. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. When the home page loads, look for the Recent Presentations section. This is the quickest way to find the deck you've been working on. Click your presentation to open it. If you don't see it there, you can also open a file from your drive or search by title, but using Recent is usually the fastest. With your presentation open, look toward the top of the screen for the menu bar and locate the View menu. This is where you access presentation options. Click View, then choose Slideshow. This switches you into full screen presenting mode so you can set up automated playback. If you prefer, the Present a button near the top right also gets you into the same mode, but going through the view is straightforward and consistent. Once you're in slideshow mode, move your mouse to reveal the control bar at the bottom left. Click the three dots to open more options. From this menu, select autoplay. You'll see timing options that control how quickly slides advance on their own. Pick the interval that makes sense for your content, shorter intervals for quick visuals, or longer ones if a slide contains a video that needs time to play through. Next, enable loop. With loop turned on, your slideshow will automatically cycle back to the beginning after the last slide and continue running indefinitely. This is the key to ensuring that any embedded videos replay as the deck repeats. If your video runs longer than your chosen auto-advance timing, increase the interval so the slide stays visible until the video finishes. For videos with sound, test your audio levels in the room and make sure the computer's volume is set appropriately. When you're ready, let the slideshow run. If you need to pause or make a change, hover again, open the three-dot menu, and adjust autoplay or loop as needed. To exit full screen at any time, press Escape. That's it. You opened your presentation, switched to slideshow, turned on autoplay, and enabled loop. Now your slides and any videos on them will play automatically and continuously without you needing to click through. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless looping Google Slides presentation.